Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to scan documents using the Preview app on any iPhone. Now to do that, first of all, just open the Preview app. Now from here, just select Scan Document. Now from here, you will find a few options. First of all, you will find the option of Auto Shutter. Now if the Auto Shutter option is enabled on your iPhone, the Preview app will automatically scan the document as the document fits in the camera frame. After that, you have the option of a few filters. You have the option of color, grayscale, and black and white. And finally, you have the option of flash. Now you can turn off the flash or you can turn it on all the time, or you can select automatic. Now to scan a document, just place a document in the camera frame, and after this blue frame fits around the document, just tap on the shutter button to scan the document. And from here you can edit the document or you can tap on keep. And if the auto shutter option is enabled on your iPhone, it will automatically scan without tapping the shutter button, just like that. And once you're done scanning the document, just tap on done. And as you can see, we have successfully scanned the document. And you will find the document in the Files app or in the Recent Files section. And this is how you can scan documents using the Preview app on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.